So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail? A smile from a veil. Do you think you can tell? Did they get you to trade your heroes for ghosts? Hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze. Go comfort the change. Did you exchange a walk-on part of the war for a lead role in a cage? How I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. How we found the same old fears. Wish you were here. Wow, that cymbal rang more in like 30 seconds more than my phone does in a week. I can't help it if I'm popular. Anyway, in all seriousness, that was Pink Floyd from September 1975. Wish you were here. But may I say, in all seriously, these guys down at Rutland, Rick Reddington, Dwayne Carlton, and other outstanding world-class Rutland musicians easily do this as good as Pink Floyd. This was obviously, you could tell, my first attempt, but these guys own that song. And Rick and Dwayne and a lot of other musicians easily do songs as easily as good. And they've taught me how to write music and all that and everything. And whether they forgot all about me or what, I'd be glad to see the old boys. I love those. All right, but anyway, that was Pink Floyd. Wishing you were here. Next time, hopefully I'll do Sheep and Stuff, Remember a Day. You know, the more deeper shit. Stuff. Shiitake, yeah, that's right. And everything. Thanks.